everyone, my name is Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to decorate my Traveler's Notebook insert for the week of September 24th through the 30th. So if that sounds like fun, then stick around. This is what my Traveler's Notebook looks like so far, and here is my blank week. This is an insert from the 1407 planners, and I really enjoy these inserts. So stick around and see what I'm going to do. So it's Saturday night and I am in my basement in my brand new planning nook that you saw. I've got my hard cider and I'm sitting down to plan in my traveler's notebook, and there is nothing that my old nerdy heart enjoys more than this. So here we go. I love inserts because you can remove them from the traveler's notebook and it makes working in them very easy. So I picked out some scrapbook paper before I sat down to film this so that it didn't take 95 years. These are all old scrapbook papers, so I can't even tell you what book they came from. And my little guillotine paper cutter, if you've heard me talk about it, I apologize because I can't shut up about this thing. I love it so much. If you can get your hands on one, then do it immediately, if not sooner, because it will make your life so easy. So I picked that little gray, or not gray, it's like a straw colored polka dot kind of thing. And to me it just looks kind of fallish when paired with the red plaid stripe kind of thing. So I just glue sticked it in there, and then I'm trimming the end off my red plaid. And it just makes me happy. It just seems kind of folly. It's sort of turning chilly here, which is making my heart so happy. It's perfect sleeping weather. We had the window open last night, and it was like chilly this morning in my bedroom, and I didn't want to get out of bed. Oh, I love that feeling. So I glued the red onto the polka dots, and then I cut out that little bicycle from, it's, I believe, a Webster's Pages paper crafting set or the Paper Studio. It's recently at Hobby Lobby, and that's from a page that was full of little cards that you can cut apart. And then that red polka dot washi is from Michaels. And then I'm picking some stickers from this Carpe Diem sticker pack. It's the Bloom pack. And then I'm also using some stickers from the Carpe Diem months. It's got a page for every month, and the stickers are adorable. I usually am not a big theme sticker person, but I can't help it. These are so cute. And then those numbers that I'm sticking on my week are from Webster's Pages, from the paper crafting kit. I need to get a full sheet, or a full booklet of numbers rather, because I don't have them. I've only got a few, and I need them. You feel me, right? You need things. Excuse me. And then I put down a little box with the circles in it for my kids. It's homecoming week at their elementary school this week, so they have to do something different every day. Like tomorrow, Monday is dress in your favorite team colors, and then it's like Patriotic Day, and then Sunglasses Day. So I had to record those so that I wasn't a mom fail and we forget to do it. I love the freedom of the Traveler's Notebook because you can do things like that and, stick it wherever you want. And it's sort of like bullet journaling in that you create your own thing, but there's a little bit of structure. Those little sticky notes are from a pack that I got a long time ago. And then the You Got This sticker was from the September Carpe Diem month sticker pack. And the You Got This, that little navy typewriter, oh, so cute, so cute. I'm just trying to do not completely fall vibes yet, but we're getting there. And then I put some stickers at the bottom that say, love this time of year, and then some of those flag stickers that I'll just write like important things to remember and stuff. I like to have a couple places to write things like that on my little page because usually there's something that I need to remind myself of. And then I have been liking very much to use the double-ended flags from one of my old Erin Condren planners. I tore them out of the back and then I cut them in half, and it makes them last forever. And then I use half for things for my family. Like I color code my family, so if you don't color code in your planner, I swear it makes things so easy, and I highly recommend it. And I'm generally not like a horizontal box kind of person, but I've been trying to do like going from left to right in the box. It's like morning stuff is on the left, and then afternoon is in the middle, and then evening is on the right. And that is visually really helping me, because before that was the trouble that I had with horizontal boxes, is that there was no structure to it. And so it visually didn't help me organize myself. But doing it this way really helps, because it's the visual kind of having a timeline, but not that structured, which I didn't really need it to be that structured. Just a general idea of is something in the morning or the afternoon or the evening. So I have those orange golden stickers. That's my color, and I put the 2 weeks that I work in. And then I picked some decorative stickers from that Bloom Carpe Diem pack, and I stuck those in just to make me happy because in my opinion that is a major part of planners. And that Bloom's little pack has the cutest coffee cups, and a lot of times I go to my parents in the morning and have coffee after I drop my kids off at school. And I'm so sorry, I had this cold like a month ago and I still have to clear my throat all the time from it, because it basically put me down for a good 2 weeks. It's not a tick. I mean, it could, maybe it will develop into one, but it's the remnants of this never-ending cold. And so now I am putting in more stickers. Those are little functional stickers from Michaels, I think, and I use the little laundry baskets and the little cleaning bottles all the time because they're so stinking cute. I just love me some stickers, y'all. I can't help it. And then I was testing my pen to see if it would smear. Or what am I doing here? Yeah, I was testing my pen, the Sakura Microperm pen, to see that if I wrote with it, if it would smear after I went over it with a mild liner highlighter. And it did not smear, so that was awesome. I got in a scrapbooking shop that was going out of business in my city, I got a lot of stuff on sale, and one was this little stamp pack of little weather stamps. So I thought it was perfect for my traveler's notebook because all of the little icons were so small, and that's really hard to find stamps that are that small. So I'm putting in the little weather icons for this week. The only thing that bums me out is there's not a partly sunny one. There's just a cloud. But you know what? I could add a little sun to that little cloud and it would be super easy to make it partly sunny.
Ooh, maybe I'll do that. Good idea, Emily. Good idea.
And then I am writing the high temperature on the bottom. This actually worked really well. I like the way that this looks. I don't really need to know the low. I just need to know the high, so I need to know how I need to dress my kids for school. Excuse me, see how I'm getting raspy and hoarse? Part of me enjoys it, and then part of me is like,
Get a grip, Emily.
excuse me. So, sticking in more decorative stickers from that Bloom set. The thing I also like about that Carpe Diem Bloom pack is the stickers are little. So, if you have a standard size traveler's notebook with standard size inserts, obviously, most stickers are too big for that. But these are just so tiny and cute and wonderful. And I love them. So Carpe Diem, the only place I have seen those stickers so far is at Hobby Lobby. They do not have them at Michael's, as far as I have seen. Or you can get them on the Carpe Diem website, but I have not bought from that website quite yet. I need to get on it because there's more that I want. Some of their scrapbooking paper sets, like the I Love Fall one, oh, my dear. It is so stinking cute. So I might have to get on that. So that is basically what I did for this week. And then I'm just going to write in the 24th through the 30th up by my September sticker. See, this is why I need more of a number pack. And Carpe Diem does sell a number tablet that I need to get my hands on, but that's one of those things I think I have to go to the website for. I know it seems like I'm affiliated with Carpe Diem. I'm not. It's just their stickers are so cute, and I don't know if it's just my aesthetic, but I love them. So now I'm slipping the insert back in my traveler's notebook, and voila, there, my week is planned, and I'll add to it as the week goes on. But for right now, I think it's done. So thank you guys so much for finding my channel today. Please like this video if you like this content, and leave me a comment. Tell me what your favorite stickers are for fall or just in general. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys later.